Got me one now.
Adios, bro.
Got me a Knoxter. I got you, fam. What's up? Yeah. When it come down to the city, I'm as cold as it gon' get. You can get down with the campaign and you can get ran over here. Tell you once and maybe twice, but I won't tell your ass again. I suggest moving out my way. You don't know how long I've been waiting on the shit. Nigga, come down to the city, I'm as cold as it gon' get. You can get down with the campaign and you can get ran over here. Tell you once and maybe twice, but I won't tell your ass again. I suggest moving out my way. You don't know how long I've been waiting on this shit, nigga. Real. Crop pot cooking all winter. Time to serve niggas all summer. And the shit finger looking good. I guarantee that your bitch gon' love it. Season right, you can tell how I blend it. How she move, I can tell that she feel it. Look, she look like she wanna come and roll. But right now, too focused on chicken. Fingers greasy, yeah, I need it. Pussy wet shit soaked like a Fiji. You might wife, I act like I don't need her. But I'm a confidant doctor and teacher. But when you focus on your bag, that make a hoe wanna keep you. Prime time pippin', I'm Dion. Ahead of my time, I'm beyond. Bitches think they got boss niggas. Whole time laying with a peon. Don't let that designer shit fool you. Cause most of them niggas, they clueless. Making all the money in the hood, but really don't know what to do with it. When it come down to the city, I'm as cold as it gon' get. You can get down with the campaign and you can get ran over here. Tell you once and maybe twice, but I won't tell your ass again. I suggest moving out my way. You don't know how long I've been waiting on this shit, nigga. For real. Time to creep with the street sweeper. I ain't even talking about gunplay. These lyrics like 250 calibers. Please don't step in my gun range. Never had to kill a man, but don't let me murk one a day. It's time to race all you niggas. If it's fuck me, then fuck you, yeah. I'ma be me regardless, nigga. Tell the truth why they love you. You be selling a phony image, and I can see through you. Really ain't got no business here. Class in session, nigga, this your early dismissal. When it come down to the city, I'm as cold as it gon' get. You can get down with the campaign and you can get ran over here. Tell you once and maybe twice, but I won't tell your ass again.